Let me show you our new parts area that's been freshly renovated. So over in the corner, as soon as you walk in the doors, you look straight in, you're gonna see Dylan, our parts manager. He's gonna be able to take care of anything you need. Also, we have Wendy, who is a parts specialist, and also Chuck over here in the corner is a parts specialist. We have your bars, your chains, your fluids that you need for your Bobcat skid loaders. Not to mention, who doesn't like discounts? We got a discount table right in the middle of the room. As soon as you walk in the door, multiple items. You can see up to possibly 30% off of those items. With us also doing the parts department renovation, we also did one more thing to better suit your needs. We also just got done freshly renovating our service office. Back here, you're gonna see Brian, one of our service advisors here. He'll definitely take care of you. So come on into our open house come November. Like I said, you'll see some sales, you'll see some deals. I'm not gonna give away all the sales. You're just gonna have to come in and find out about them. Like I said, Best Line Equipment here in Mechanicsburg. I'm Josh, hope to see you there.